Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Fiesta horn. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a new horn that's compatible with your specific Fiesta model. Also, have a 10mm socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver ready. Before starting, make sure your car is parked safely on a level surface and the engine is completely off for your safety. Now let's access the horn. Depending on your Fiesta model, you might need to carefully remove the front grille or a section of the bumper cover. This will expose the horn, which is usually mounted near the front of the vehicle. Once visible, locate the electrical connector and gently press the release tab to disconnect it from the old horn. With the electrical connector detached, use your 10mm socket wrench to unbolt the old horn from its mounting bracket. Once it's free, you can remove it. Now, take your new horn and position it onto the same bracket. Securely fasten it with the bolt, ensuring it's tight but not over-tightened. Finally, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new horn's terminals. After installing the new horn, it's time for a quick test. Turn your car's ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Press the horn button on your steering wheel to confirm it's working correctly. If it sounds good, carefully reinstall the front grille or bumper cover, ensuring all clips and screws are securely fastened. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. You've successfully replaced your Ford Fiesta's horn.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.